Yep. All right, boy. Nice, boy. Have this, boy. There, boy.
He was beating on me every day. I had no choice.
Talk all you want, lady.
Good
It won't
boy.
make no difference.
Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, boy.
Hello? Please, I'm trapped. Uh,
What happened?
my horse collapsed. I don't know why. It's my friends.
I'll see what I can
My
do.
legs all numb. Please hurry. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You saved me.
Sure.
Oh, that was bad.
Okay. Sure.
I could have been stuck here and starved or eaten. Oh, you poor, dumb animal. Oh. What'll I tell Mildred?
You need a ride home, ma'am?
Oh. Oh, yes, mister, please. Thank you. Do you know Valentine? I live there.
No problem. You're okay, boy. Yep. You're all right, boy. Good boy.
I don't normally travel this far alone, you know.
Shh, boy.
I was off inquiring about a possible new line of work. I'd borrowed a friend's horse for the trip. See, my husband... Well, it's just me and my boy now, and it's hard to find work.
I'm sure it is.
A good opportunity. That's what I'm looking for. Not much work for a woman with a boy to raise. I won't work in no saloon, but I've got sharp eyes and quick hands.
There, boy.
I was hoping to get a job working as a seamstress. A wealthy man said he'd pay me for the work.
Yep. Sounds promising. Also doesn't sound real.
Oh, you may be right, I suppose. He said he'd provide room and board for me and for my child. He wanted to meet me first.
I'd be careful with offers like that, ma'am.
I can't afford to dismiss offers like these, even if they do seem... odd.
Well, just be careful is all I'm saying.
I may not have another opportunity like this. And now I'll have to pay Mildred back for her horse.
It sure sounds like you're in a hard position.
You finding me is the only good thing that's happened to me in a long while, sir. We're close now. Just a little further.
What in the hell is wrong with you?
You're okay, boy.
We're here. Thank you for all your help.
How are you?
You're a good man.
Glad I was able to help. You take care. Appreciate it. You be well. Ma'am, will you be all right from here?
I'll find my way. Thank you, sir.
It's all right, boy. Easy, boy. Good boy. Yeah. Easy, boy. You're okay. That's it. You're good. You all right? Yeah. You okay?
I'm just a blind old fool. Don't be like me. Be a wise man. Be a fool for love. Help a blind man.
Have this.
You keep hidden all that matters, sir. Maybe even from yourself.
Sure. Okay, mister. All the best now. Giddy up.
I have nothing more for you now.
Yeah. You're all right. Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Yeah. You okay? You're all right. You're good. Yeah, there you go. That's it. You okay? Yeah. Yeah, okay, boy. You all right?
That's it.
Easy. Hey, what the hell?
Interesting. Putting it, Seamus.
No doubt. I do interesting very well. It's trusting I don't do so well.
Please. I know how to work with good people, Seamus, and I work in the right way.
They all say that. I never met an idiot that called himself one.
Arthur, this is Seamus. He's our new partner.
I ain't no such thing.
Prospective new partner, if he likes us.
Liking ain't the problem. Trusting is. As I said, keep your voices down. I don't want my boss hearing. This is a sideline.
Of course. Look at us. Honest as the day is long.
Exactly.
I'll tell you what. Let us prove ourselves.
Prove ourselves to this clown? What you talking about?
Good day, Hosea. Good luck with your business dealings.
Listen, he's rough and ready and quick with his tongue, but I swear you can trust him and trust me.
I'm an old man.
You're not old, Seamus.
I'm old enough. And you know I ain't dead?
You don't trust idiots.
Exactly.
We're not idiots. Let us prove it to you.
Okay. I'll tell you what.
Arthur.
Old Bob Crawford and his boys just bought a beautiful stolen stagecoach from upstate. It's in their barn. Now you go get that, and then we can work together.
Who's old Bob Crawford?
An acquaintance of mine.
So you want us to take out your competition?
Well, he's not just an acquaintance, but a cousin. By marriage. I also want to see if you boys got what it takes. Now, you survive that.
Where is he?
He's in a farmhouse just northwest of here called Carmody Dell. It's just up the train tracks as you're heading up towards Fort Wallace. There's also some money in that house, but that's your business, not mine. But don't kill nobody. Folks know we ain't intimate no more, and they'll know it was me.
But you're fine with us robbing your cousin.
By marriage. And yes, I'd love it.
You heard the man. Let's go rob his cousin.
By marriage.
Okay, boy. Let's go. Really?
Really? Lead the way. He said the place is just northwest of here.
Me?
You're the one who's been out gallivanting around here.
That's what you call it. Well, clearly you've recovered from your bear encounter.
Could have played that better, couldn't you?
Thought you wanted me here to show some strong arm. That's usually how it goes.
Yes, but you know how this works.
Come on, Hosea. That feller's a joke.
And that's why he's perfect. He won't cause us any problems. A safe spot to fence wagons and coaches, that's easy money for us.
I guess you're right.
Come on, it's not like he's asking us to rob a bank. If the two of us can't steal a stagecoach from Seamus's old crooked cousin by marriage, we should hang up our hats now.
All right, boy. There, boy. Yeah, good boy.
Hey.
So what's the story with that Emerald Ranch? You find out anything else?
A little. Owners are not... Hey, let's keep it down now. We must be close. That must be the place up ahead. We should go on foot from here. Let's see what we're dealing with. Come on. There's the house. I see the barn in the back. Stagecoach has to be in there. Okay. Let's take a quick look at the place.
Anyone around?
Yes. Okay. I reckon we can do it now. I'll head over, distract him by putting on a little show while you sneak into the house, find what you can, then get the stagecoach. Or wait until nightfall. Sneak in, then I'll get the coach. You can try the house. What do you think?
Just wait.
Okay, let's go.
Sure.
You go into the house. I'll go find this wagon. Maybe take a peek through the windows before you go in. Make sure it's all quiet. Get on, dear boy.
Yeah.
You're gonna crash if you don't slow down.
Oh,
Nicely done. We got everything we needed.
and I'm pretty sure they never even knew I was there.
This way. Less problems the better right now.
Take it easy, Arthur.
Just need to get this back to Seamus in one piece and it's a good night's work.
Yeah.
So what were you able to lift from the house?
Found some money stashed away. Must be a few hundred, not too bad.
Not bad at all.
Hey, slow it down.
This was easier than hunting a 1,000-pound grizzly anyway.
No doubt. I won't forget that in a hurry.
I'm looking forward to your retelling of that one around the campfire.
wasn't the first time Mr. Matthews had stared death in the eye, and as usual, he did not flinch. Slow it down a bit. Okay, here we are. Just pull the coach into the barn there. Hello, Seamus. We met your cousins.
How was it?
Fine. Nice people.
Park that thing in here. Quickly. Nice work, Hosea.
It was mostly Arthur. Like I said, coarse but competent.
Here.
Thank you.
Find any other coaches that need selling. I'll see what I can offer you for them. But discreet, you know.
Of course.
Goodbye, gentlemen.
I'm heading back to camp, I think. You coming?
Sure.
Whoa!
Ah, sorry, boy. There he is.